How you doing, baby? It is raining like a dickens out here. It's Wednesday afternoon. Just cooking up a little lunch. Mom's gonna do some noodles. And I think I'm gonna do some leftover spaghetti. Just a tiny leak coming in from up above. But considering how hard it's raining, that's not too bad. We've put quite a bit of sealant up through here to prevent leaks, but it's really difficult to get it all, or to make it completely leak-proof. But we're still working on it. We'll see how it goes. Yeah, I just got a drop on my arm here. So here, give you an idea of what it's like during heavy rain here. We got water just gushing out of the drain up there. Yeah, it's coming down pretty hard. I don't even want to step outside this door and get this camera wet, so we'll kind of hang out here for a minute. Yeah, it's the rainy season here in the Philippines, so this is what you would expect of a rainy day. So summer is pretty much during the months of April, May. Well, let me think here. Summer is pretty well, actually summer months are March, April, May, and then the rainy season starts in June. And from my experience, it seems to really pick up in July. If you're going to get rain, it's going to happen for the most part in July. I'm no expert in meteorology here in the Philippines, but it's pretty much what I've noticed. Oh, shit. Yeah, that rain's coming down good. Wow. Coming down real good. You can just hear it hitting the metal roof. It's almost deafening. I mean, you can't sit and watch TV and hear the voices or hear the audio. Look at that. And you definitely can't hear anything coming across on the computer unless you have headphones on. Yeah, that's loud. Looking out the back way. How you doing, hon? You got your noodles going? Got the microwave fired up. We gotta clean up again out here. Oh! Yeah. So anyways, there you have it. It's not a typhoon, not yet anyways. But I guess they're out there. They're out there somewhere in the ocean, and we're just kind of feeling the side effects. Listen to that shit. Damn. Well, there you have it. Rainy day in the Philippines. Talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.